Hey everyone, okay, so today we're gonna do things differently. Today we're gonna take off in order to put back on. So this is really skin prep, and I'm gonna show you an amazing skin prep routine. Now, see the code on the screen? I've got a brand new EVE LOM product for you, which is amazing. Wait till you see it. So use the code, you get 20% off EVE LOM, use the code. Okay, so we're gonna prep the skin for makeup using the brand new EVE LOM, and this is the cleansing oil. Now this cleansing oil, honestly, it is not like any others, I promise. It removes waterproof makeup, SPF, impurities. This is the difference. This will hydrate the skin and it will support the skin barrier. So when it's rinsed off, your skin will feel, it will feel really hydrated. This is one of those products you have to feel in order to believe. It's a bizarre and amazing feeling because you get this hydration, you get this nourished skin, it leaves it ultra soft when you've removed it, and it leaves it just, well, radiant is about the only way I can describe it. It has this really good sensorial oil blend of eucalyptus, chamomile, clove, hops. It also has added lavender and geranium botanical extracts. That's a mouthful. So I got a bit of bronzer on, got some foundation on, got a bit of blusher on, you know, a bit of powder. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So 1 to 2 pumps in dry hands. This is important. I like to take 2, you'll understand why. Rub your hands together and apply to dry skin and massage it into the face, all over, everywhere there is makeup. Even the oil, even this oil feels different to other cleansing oils on the market. So get some water, got some here, wet your hands, and this will turn into like a milky emulsion, and all of the makeup, everything is going to slide off. Now, all you do, pat the skin dry. This is where part 1 of the magic happens. If you could feel my skin right now, it feels like I've applied a serum. It feels like there's something on the skin. The skin is so ridiculously soft. That's what this product does. It takes away everything and adds back. That's step 1. We're gonna take it slightly further because guess what? Another product. So this is the 40th anniversary heritage set, which brings together 2 really iconic skincare items from EVE LOM. The legendary, and I mean legendary, cleanser balm and the rescue mask. Plus you also get the muslin cloth, which isn't like any other muslin cloth out there. It's ultra fine, extra woven. Is that even a word? I don't know. You'll see when you use it. So the cleanser, as you all know, I've been using it for 25 years or so. It's a long time. It is a 5-in-1 cleanser. It's a cleanser balm. So it's made with that gorgeous blend of oils. It cleanses, it hydrates, it tones, it removes makeup, it exfoliates. That's where this gorgeous muslin cloth comes in. And that's my favorite part of the routine, is where you start to exfoliate the skin. So this is how to use it. So remember, we're doing part of a double cleanse. So just break the seal, take some product. You don't need a huge amount. And just dot it onto dry skin, massage it all over your pretty face. This is truly my favorite part. Have I mentioned that? It's my favorite part. Cleansing is, in my opinion, the most important aspect of skincare, of your skincare routine. Now, take your muslin cloth, get it wet in warm water, squeeze it out, and then you want to go over your skin. And I like to go from side to side and then up and down, and in circular motions. We're trying to exfoliate the skin and remove this product. It leaves you with baby soft skin. It leaves you with glowing, radiant skin. It is the perfect cleanser in the entire world. And I mean that. It's not lip service. I've used it that long. It is epic. Now, just pat your skin. Okay. Last part. Next comes the rescue mask. So I got the rescue mask with the cleanser those 20 something years ago. So it's such a unique product. It hydrates the skin. It absolutely hydrates the skin, but it purifies the skin. It conditions the skin and it refines the skin. So it's this gorgeous vat of gorgeousness. It's got gorgeous things in it. So it's got kaolin clay, which purifies and conditions the skin. It's also got ground almonds, which help to exfoliate the skin, which gives you, you know, who doesn't love a bit of exfoliation? I do. So we're going to take some product. Oh, this is beautiful. And apply it to the skin all over. Now I'm going to leave this for about 15 or 20 minutes or so. This is just for those days when you want a little bit more pampering to the skin. And here is something else which I always found really interesting, and this is 100% true story. When I first used this mask, and you know, granted I was in my early 20s, the first thing I noticed was that my skin looked really bright after I'd used it. It looked bright, and that's the first thing I noticed. And you know, it's been a long time since then, and it's still here, still using it. So it will harden slightly, as you can see. At this point, you just take it off. Use that same warm muslin cloth and just use this to remove the mask. And your skin is now pampered, perfected, hydrated, exfoliated, and just all round perfect. So nearly on to makeup. To finish off, and just to add a shot of moisture, I'm going to take EVE LOM here, and this is the lovely Daily Protection, which is an SPF of 50. I'm just going to take a couple of pumps. I'm just going to smooth, oh, my skin feels so soft. I'm just going to smooth this onto the skin, and this is going to act as a base for the makeup which is going to follow. So I want the makeup now, because the skin is just so beautiful. I don't want to cover it, so we're going to do something really, really light. So I'm going to take NARS here, and this is the light reflecting foundation. I'm going to take one pump, and I'm just going to dot this onto the skin, and we're going to blend this in. Now I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm going to blend this all over. Now normally I like to use a brush, but for today, because I really want this to be about skincare, I'm going to use mostly my hands. And I'm working this into the skin like it's a skincare, because I want this to be, we didn't use much, but I want it to be a part of the skin. So I'm really making sure that it's blended in. Now, next up, color. My favorite part of any makeup application is color. So I'm going to use this little beauty here from Rode, and I'm going to pop this onto the high points of the face. And again, I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm going to really work it into the skin, because I really want this to feel like it's coming through the skin, not sitting on top of it. So I'm blending it in kind of every direction known to man, going up, going down, going into the brow, so that it's not just sat there, you know, it's not just, oh, it's on the cheekbone, it's everywhere. It's a part of the skin. It's everything to do with the skin. This is a great color, by the way. It's a really lovely color. You see, look, lovely. Okay, so I'm just gonna tame the brows slightly here. So I'm gonna use this product by Refi, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna comb through the brows with this. This is pretty good stuff. It's pretty bulletproof. And I'm just going to groom the brows. At first I go up. Bear in mind, I'm a boy, so I go up first, but then I brush the brows down and across. So I go up, then down, and brush them across. So for me, I kind of prefer that effect, but each to their own. Stickiness will go away. So I'm going to also put, I rarely do this, but I'm going to put a touch of gloss on the lip as well. This is by Rode again, really big fan. A little bit, not to add color, but just to kind of finish off a little bit. I'm also going to add some freckles. This is by Tarte, and it is Go with the Faux. That's a great name. Go away, whatever that is, go away. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp this onto the nose. And I like to just stay within the nose. And with my finger, I'm just going to pat it. And then just pat it. And it just gives like a really pretty look to the skin. We're going to use a touch of mascara just to give the skin something, you know, to give the eyes, should I say, that kind of, it's barely there. It just gives a sparkle to the eye. And that's what we're trying to do here. Because we spend so long cleansing the skin and nourishing it that it feels almost wrong to want to put too much on. Now I'm going to mattify a little bit of it because there's too much shine for me. So I'm going to use this product here. This is by Mally Beauty, and I'm going to take a sponge, and it's basically like a silicone, but anywhere I touch will instantly mattify. So I'm just going to go kind of around the tip of the nose, because for me that's not really an area I really want to shine. And then just underneath the eye and down the center. And that way I get to leave certain portions looking really dewy and healthy, while that center portion looks, you know, more flattering, I think, than having a very shiny forehead. So what's left? I don't think there's anything left. Let's just check the face. Do you know what may be left? You knew I was going to. Just a touch more. Just, honestly, just a touch. Because why not? Why would you not when you can? Why would you not? That's the thing. If you can, you should. So I am. There you go. So look, skin. This looks like skin. You put my glasses on. It's beautiful. That's makeup to me. Don't forget, use code Wayne20. Make the most of the code. These are wonderful products. Everything I've used here is beautiful, is amazing. This is makeup. Invisible makeup. Makeup disguised as skincare. Oh, this is why I love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.